Hey everyone, just went on a little road trip with the wife and kid. Got myself a new toy. I don't know if you can see it back there, but I'm very excited to get home and check it out. Otis seems intrigued too. What's in there? What's in there? Is that for you? Business. I just went for a little ride in my my new wheel horse tractor. It's a fun little thing. I see a lot of good things about these online. Works pretty good. Slight issue with it not always staying in high gear and kind of being a pain in the butt to get back into high gear. I guess I have to look into that a little bit. But overall, I'm excited with it, and I'm about to cut this extremely overgrown grass over here because my poor yard machine died. All right, here we go.
What is it?
I did it. Ew.
Oh, is that nothing? Well, what is that doing?
It's being gross.
It's being gross.
Yeah, it's not supposed to look like that.
I don't think it's getting bigger and bigger. I don't think it is.